Time to track test another Cox Lotus. This is the second one we've videoed and tested. This one has, excuse me, very nice intact, not foggy, not glued up headlight lenses. It has the narrow roll bar, which is probably a good idea as the wide one tends to get broken off when the car goes upside down. Good looking car all around. It's got the right wheels, factory tires all around, and this one has been tuned and adjusted and lubricated and it's ready to go. Let's see how it does. 14 volts on Prix with the Omnibox set for analog. Here we are.
3.58 watts. 5.893. 5.692.
Smooth. This thing's a jet. Nice running car. It could be yours.